Ladies and gentlemen, this entire video is one gigantic thank you. 128,128 individual subscribers. That's 128 individual thank yous I am sending out there with my gratitude, with my peace, with my love. Thank you very much. 128, pretty interesting number, isn't it? Side note, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 8 is 11, and we've got 2 of those. 11 and 11 is 22. 11/22 just happens to be the date I'll be in Germany, Wolfenbüttel, teaching full spine chiropractic adjustments. If you're a practitioner, a hands-on body worker, this is a hands-on seminar of full spine technique and practice for medical professionals who are licensed to perform grade 5 manipulations. And we'll have some links below in the description if you can contact Michael Lau, and I'll see you there maybe. Thank you. Now, I hear box opening is a thing on YouTube, so without further ado, let's see what's going on here. Brett. It's Brent. Hey, we've got to talk. Meet me at the usual spot. Si, lo sé. This is your Houston, Texas chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and your Vice President of the International Chiropractic YouTube Board of Trustees. And I call this meeting to order. Dr. Blake is with us today. Can you take attendance for the meeting? Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Blake Kalkstein from Adolph Kalkstein. I'm your Baltimore area chiropractor and the fastest talking chiropractor in Baltimore. I'm up here practicing with my dad and my brother, crushing it in the Baltimore area, and we are the official chiropractors of the Baltimore Orioles. I just want to tell everyone. Excuse me, Dr. Blake, can you just take attendance for us, please? Hola, amigo. Mi hermano. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, muchas gracias. ¿Y tú? Hay algo extraño pasando. I saw Dr. Cipriano over here to my left. Dr. Cipriano. Hey everybody, this is Dr. Cipriano. And that was Dr. Rahim over to your right. Rah, how you doing over there, buddy? Gotcha. Then I hammered Jeremy Piven's shoulder back into place. That's my brother. Excuse me, Dr. Hightower, Dr. Jason, can you guys quiet down? We're trying to have a meeting here. ¿Cuántos hombres? 7. Y una mujer. Who is that?
You know who it is. I see you in there. Come on, open up.
Dr. Blake, are you okay? Let me adjust that.
Johnson, get out of my seat, please. Come on,
okay,
everyone.
Dr. Cipriano, can you move down, please?
Well.
Dr. Blake, can you move down, please? ¿Qué quieren ellos? No lo sé. Está bien. Tengo una persona en el interior. Gotcha.
Now, we all know why we're here. Joseph, did you get the plaque?
Yeah, I got it.
And are you sure that no one saw you?
No, why?
So that no one suspects us.
I didn't know. We wasn't supposed to know.
Ugh, confounded fools.
Casi estamos ahí. They're here. Turn off the lights, everybody. Shh. Shh. Surprise! My brother. Congratulations. My man. Congratulations. Oh, that's so sweet of everyone. You guys are the best. I mean, I thank you. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know what to say. I prepared a little speech.